Welcome to the work equipment controls video for the Komatsu WA900-8 wheel loader. This machine has many standard features that are designed to enhance the operator experience. We would like to take a few minutes and demonstrate how these function. The WA900-8 has a feature called bucket level position selection. It is very important to set up the bucket level position selection on a new machine with its new bucket or an existing machine getting a different bucket. The first step is to position your machine on a flat level surface. Next, lower the boom and level the bucket. This may require visual verification by you or a helper. With the key on, engine running, let's access the user menu and pull up the machine setting and information tab. Using the up-down switches, scroll to bucket level position selection in the menu, then push enter. You now have three choices of what to label your current bucket position. Today we will use bucket position A. With A highlighted, push the menu switch. Two menu items are now listed. Highlight bucket level position adjustment and push the enter switch. Follow the on-screen instructions. Since your bucket should already be on the ground and level, push the enter switch and follow the step 2 instructions, which request you to raise the boom to its highest position. Lower the boom to the ground and you have completed the bucket level position adjustment. Komatsu wheel loaders have another feature called remote positioning for the bucket and the boom. These adjustments are made using one switch, which is located on the right switch console. Let's adjust the bucket first. Raise the boom and dump the bucket. Put the bucket lever in the tilt detent and let go of the handle. The bucket will tilt automatically and kick out the detent when it has reached the level position that we set earlier. Now lower the boom just above the ground. You can adjust the bucket angle plus or minus 5 degrees from your level position. Let's assume you need a negative angle. Using the bucket lever, move the bucket to the dump position very slightly. You can check your angle by pressing the bottom side of the remote positioner switch quickly one time, and your reading will momentarily display and the buzzer beeps twice. If you are happy with the position, you are finished. If you need more or less angle, move the bucket with the bucket lever and push the bottom switch again. If you want to clear the setting and have the bucket return to the 0 position, push and hold the bottom switch for longer than 1 second. The buzzer sounds one long beep, indicating remote positioning has been cleared. Now let's operate the remote boom positioner. The boom can be set up with a raised position and a lower position. We'll set up the raised position first. Set the boom to a desired raised position above horizontal, and return the boom lever to the hold position. Now momentarily push the top of the remote positioner switch. The buzzer should beep twice, and the icon on the monitor should change to now include a line above the bucket. To test the setting, lower the boom to the ground, pull the boom lever into the raised detent and release the lever. The boom lever should kick out and the boom should stop at the desired height. To clear a raised position, raise the boom above horizontal, then push and hold the top positioner switch. The buzzer should make one long beep and the top line should disappear from the icon. To set the lower remote positioner, lower the boom to a position below horizontal, but above the ground surface level. Return the boom lever to hold. Momentarily push the remote switch. The buzzer should beep twice, and a line should appear below the bucket on the icon. To test the lower remote position, first make sure the area around the machine is completely clear of personnel and equipment. Raise the boom above the horizontal position. Now firmly push the boom lever all the way forward into the float detent. Gravity will cause the boom to lower very rapidly, and it will stop short of hitting the ground. Do not try this movement with any material in the bucket. You can clear the lower remote positioner by placing the boom below horizontal. Push and hold the top remote switch until one long beep is sounded, and the line disappears from under the bucket icon. The Komatsu WA900-8 loader has some new features that enhance work equipment operation and can reduce operator fatigue. These include the auto digging system, the SemiAuto approach system, and the SemiAuto dump system. These systems can be set to operate independently or work together. We will explain each system separately, starting with the auto digging system. To set the auto digging system to operate, highlight and select auto digging mode selection under machine setting and information tab in the user menu. Scroll to on and push enter. On the right-hand switch console, push the auto digging enable switch. The auto digging enable pilot lights up on the monitor. With the engine running, the work equipment lock switch unlocked, the steering lock lever unlocked, and the gear speed other than third, travel forward with the bucket lowered to 3 feet and 9 inches or lower. With the machine in second gear and the auto kickdown feature turned off, use the kickdown switch on the top of the boom lever to kick down into first gear. If the auto kickdown is enabled, the machine will automatically kick down to first when the machine is below 2.49 miles per hour. Thrust the bucket edge into the material. The auto digging is started and the pilot lamp background changes, becoming auto digging operation pilot lamp. If starting the machine in first gear, use the kickdown switch to initiate auto digging. The boom will automatically rise 7 degrees, the bucket will tilt back fully, and the boom angle will raise to 0 degrees, which is horizontal. Auto digging stops when one of the following occurs. The machine is shifted into reverse, the boom lever is moved towards lower, or the bucket lever is moved towards dump. The semi-auto approach system is designed to reduce operator fatigue during V-shaped loading operations. When enabled, as the machine is reversed with a full bucket, the boom will automatically start raising to the horizontal position. When direction is changed to forward and approaching the dump truck, the boom continues to raise into upper stop position set using the remote boom positioner feature. After the bucket is dumped, when the machine is placed in reverse, the bucket raises to level. After the machine moves a specific distance in reverse, the boom automatically lowers to a stop position set using the remote boom positioner feature. To set up the semi-auto approach, highlight and select the semi-auto approach mode selection menu from the machine setting and information user menu tab. When opened, you will see 7 choices of settings: off, standard, fast, slow, demo standard, demo fast, and demo slow. Choosing off disables this system. Standard turns the semi-auto approach system on. Fast is used when the V-shaped distances are short. Slow is used when the V-shaped distances are long. The 3 demo modes let you practice each mode with an empty bucket to determine the best selection. The operation and maintenance manual has more information on these choices. Remember to set a boom raise stop position and a boom lower stop position at this time. The boom raise stop position should be at least 2 feet above the side of the dump truck to be loaded. The boom lower height should be no lower than 8 inches above the ground. To start operation of the semi-auto approach system, push the enable switch on the right switch console. The semi-auto approach enable pilot lamp is lit on the monitor. Start the digging in first or second gear. When you put the machine in reverse, the semi-auto approach enable pilot lamp changes its background color to show operation pilot lamp status. Continuing loading the dump truck, semi-auto approach is cancelled if the boom lever is moved to raise during automatic lowering, or the boom lever is lowered during automatic raising operation. The semi-auto dump system is designed to reduce operator fatigue by the automation of the bucket dumping and boom raise operation during dumping operation. To set up the semi-auto dump system, highlight and select the semi-auto dump mode selection menu from the machine setting and information user menu tab. When opened, you will see 3 choices of settings: off, on, and demo. Choosing off disables this system. On turns the semi-auto dump system on. Demo mode allows practicing with an empty bucket. To start operation of the semi-auto dump system, push the enable switch on the right switch console. The semi-auto dump enable pilot lamp is lit on the monitor. With the engine running and machine in first or second gear, raise the boom to the dump start position. When the machine sees the boom angle at 0, or horizontal or higher, the semi-auto dump pilot lamp changes to operation mode. Now push the semi-auto dump start switch on the left side of the bucket lever. The dump system will begin automatic operation, which includes holding the boom position while the bucket dumps until horizontal, then raising the boom while dumping the bucket to full dump position. Semi-auto dump is cancelled if the boom lever is moved towards lower or the bucket lever is moved towards tilt. Another useful feature included in the WA900-8 loader is Auto Kickdown. This feature can be enabled by the operator using Machine Setting and Information tab. When enabled, the machine monitors speed and work equipment posture. The following conditions are necessary for Auto Kickdown to function. The shift mode must be in auto mode, forward direction, ECSS is in the off position, boom lowered, bucket level, no brake application, and machine moving 2.49 miles per hour or less. The machine kicks down from F2 to F1 as the machine penetrates the pile. When the machine is shifted to reverse, it moves into R2. The WA900-8 has the ability to adjust bucket tilt shock as well as dump shock near each end of the bucket rotation. Tilt shock reduction level is adjusted under the machine setting and information menu. This feature has 4 setting choices: off, level low, level mid, and level high. Off turns shock prevention off, while level low is minimal shock reduction. Level mid results in moderate shock reduction, while level high applies the largest shock reduction. Adjustment level for dump shock reduction are similar and are also made under the Machine Setting and Information tab. This concludes the work equipment controls video for the Komatsu WA900-8. For more information, please reference the Operation and Maintenance Manual, or contact your local distributor. You may also visit us at www.komatsuamerica.com. Thank you for choosing Komatsu products.